A very good afternoon, class 7th. Today, on 5th Jan, Tuesday, we will do the last exercise of the book of chapter 16. Today, we will do 16.4. In this exercise, our topic is visualizing solid objects. मीन्स आप सॉलिड ऑब्जेक्ट्स को कैसे देखते हैं, राइट? सो हेयर सी व्हाई वी डू दिस. We can classify a solid shape by drawing a net of it, right? And net we have drawn. Nets allow us to see the top, bottom, and sides of a solid figure all at once, right? Like we have drawn the net of cuboid, the net of prisms, and with the help of net we can easily see the top, bottom, and sides of the solid figure all together. In order to get the sense of a solid shape, its sides, front and top views should be drawn. For example, if we look at a pyramid from the side, we can identify that their sides are triangles, right? Like we have drawn the net of pyramids, and in that I told you that they are in the shape of triangles. So same, if you look at the pyramid from the side, अगर आप साइड से पिरामिड को देखोगे, we can identify that their sides are triangles, right? Now there are different ways by which you can visualize the solid objects, right? So they observe the slide from different angles. So let us understand how we can observe the same object from different perspectives, right? कि सेम ऑब्जेक्ट्स को हम किस किस तरीके से आप जो है वो विजुअलाइज कर सकते हैं. The first is viewing different sections of a solid. Different sections, like here figures are drawn. In this cylinder you will observe that the middle part is circle. Here in triangular pyramid you will observe the middle one is square. In this rectangle, again circle, and again. So the shape obtained on cutting through an object perpendicular to the longest dimension is called its cross section. The shape obtained on cutting through an object perpendicular to the longest dimension is called its cross section. Longest dimension से उसको perpendicular cut करना, that is known as cross section. Now see, considered a loaf of bread. It looks like a cuboid with a square face, and when you slicing it vertically we get several pieces, right, as it's shown here. The face of each slice is square in shape and provides a view of the cross section of the whole bread. So बेटा, जब आप लॉन्गेस्ट साइड की डायमेंशन से परपेंडिकुलरली कट करते हैं, then that is known as cross section. See here, the cross section of different solid object is shown here. Like lemon, it is shown here, watermelon, tomato, papaya, onion, right? Now complete the following table by identify whether the cross section is horizontal and vertical. So same, horizontal means like this, x-axis of your graph. Like this watermelon is horizontal. This one also horizontal. And vertical means like this. You will cut, then that is vertical. This one, tomato. Right? So this is the cross section horizontal and vertically. So let's see some more about cross section. See here beta, some more points about cross section. A cross section is the shape we get when cutting straight through an object. Like here this object shown you that the cross section of an object is a triangle, right? Then next come to about geometry. In geometry it is shape made when a solid is cut through by a plane. Like here when we cut this cylinder by a plane, the cross section of this circular cylinder is circle. जब आप एक प्लेन से किसी भी सिलेंडर या लाइक दिस ट्रायंगल आप इसको कट करते हैं, राइट, सो जो आपको शेप कट आउट होती है दैट इज नोन एज क्रॉस सेक्शन. सो हेयर सर्कल कट and this pyramid when you cut it, that cut in the form of square. So we do not draw the rest of the object, just the shape made when we cut through. The cross section of the triangular pyramid is a rectangle. Right? किस शेप में मिलेगा अगर आप ट्रायंगुलर पिरामिड का कट करते हैं? दैट इज इन द शेप ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. See more. Cross section are usually parallel to the base like above, but can be in any direction, vertical as well as horizontal. So see here, with this the cross section is shown. The vertical cross section through the center of the torus is the two circle like this in the form, and horizontal cross section is annulus like this one. Now there are more examples of cross section, that is when you cross prism like this you will get, right? After this the next point is that is first is this one. Observe the images of the solid objects given below and identify the shape of their cross section when they are cut along a plane marked like this. If you will cut it, it will in the form of circle you get like this one. When you cut this you will get like this one. This you will cut, you get like this. So like this. Second point, that is shadow. Shadow are the best example to show how 3D objects can be seen from a particular point. Like here it is shown with the help of torch. You can perform the following activity with a torch, a few solid shapes and a screen. Place the different solid shape in front of the torch and observe their shadow. So here it is shown that the shape of the shadow of a cube is square. Shape of the cuboid is rectangular in shape. The shadow of the circular face of a cylinder is circular. This tells you about the shadow, and here it is shown also that when you put in front of the torch, how you get it. Second is different views of an object. So here you can take your book and see if you seen from close side, open side, back and front. Top view, shape of an object when it is viewed from its top. अगर आप कोई भी बुक या 3D ऑब्जेक्ट्स को आप टॉप से देखते हो, मीन्स अपर पार्ट से देखते हो, देन इट इज़ नॉन एज top view. If you are observing it from the front, then it is known as front view, like this of your home. And when you view it from the side, like here this one, then it is known as the side view of the object. Right beta? These are the three views, three different views of yours on watching the objects. Now next, see, one table is there. Look at the front, top and side views of the some more objects. See this one, this is object. Front view is this one. Top this, जो upper part है, and side will be this one. Right? This box. Front view आपको ऐसा लग रहा है just one square and side of that one more square. If you will watch from top, it will like this, and from side ये जो है ये आपकी इसी में side mix है. Right? So this is about front, top and side view. Now let us see here, some objects are drawn and identify the correct figures by observing the front, top and side views. So this you will do yourself, right? Now after that, one knowledge nugget, that is the different section of the solid shape can be viewed in many ways. आप कोई भी सॉलिड शेप है बेटा 3D, उसको बहुत तरीके से देख सकते हैं. वन वे टू व्यू अ सॉलिड शेप इज़ बाय कटिंग और स्लाइसिंग द शेप टू व्यू द क्रॉस सेक्शन ऑफ द सॉलिड. राइट? फर्स्ट वन इज क्रॉस सेक्शन that we have discussed. Another way to view a solid shape is by observing its 2D shadow of a 3D shape on a plane surface on a screen with the help of torch. अगर आप टॉर्च उसके सामने कोई भी 3D ऑब्जेक्ट्स रखते हैं, the shadow of that 3D objects will tell you about it. Third part, that is the third way to view a solid shape is to look at the shape from different angles, right? From the different views, like front view, top view and the side view, each of which provides a different perspective about the shape under observation. Clear beta? So these are the three views, which are, first one we viewed with the help of cross section, second is with the help of shadow, and the third one is with different angles, top view, front view and side view. Now the key one, first question of exercise 16.4, that is draw the front view, top view and side view of the following solid shape. Shapes are given to you and you have to draw their top, front one this one, top view and side view. Front view is mentioned here. Top में क्या आएगा आपका? Just these 6 boxes, right? Top will, आप अगर ऊपर से देखते हैं, right here like this one, and if you seen from side, only this part. Next B part, that is front is, if this one is the front, so आप top से देखोगे only this, right? And from side, top ये, front ये है, then side only these two, and you can, if this side you will observe, these are the 3 sides, right? So it depends on you. Key 2, that is what are the shape of the shadows obtained when a torch is shone on a conical birthday cap from the top and the side. What are the shape of the shadows? So beta, this you can see by, this you can observe by performing this activity. आप इस क्वेश्चन को एक एक्टिविटी के वे से भी कर सकते हो. And how? Take a torch. You can take a plain bed sheet also, plain white sheet also, which makes the plain surface. वो क्या हो जाएगा आपका, विच वर्क्स लाइक अ प्लेन सरफेस. देन यू टेक अ टॉर्च and here you will put your birthday cap. Put the torch up. When you switch on the torch, the shadow of the cap obtained on the plane surface, which is the white sheet or anything, right? Torch, cone and the plane surface. Then you will get that what are the shapes of the shadow obtained, and this you have to perform as an activity. So we remember, do this key 2 questions with the as activity. Now key 3, draw the top view of the solid shape. So here you can see the top view is only this one. Top view is only this one. If this is the front, then the top will be only this one, right? And you have to draw only the top view of the solid shape. Key 4, the shadow cast by a ball when light is shone on it from any direction is same. So yes beta, whenever you will put the light on the ball, the shadow cast is in the form of circle. You can check also this, because these activities, these questions are like your activities, as well as you can perform also. So this statement is true. The shadow cast by a ball when light is shown on it from any direction is same. Key 5, that is, what shape are observed when a cube, cuboid, cylinder and cone are cut both vertically as well as horizontally? So when you cut cube, it will show the shape of, when you cut cube as vertically as well as horizontal, you will get two rectangular face shapes, two rectangular face shapes. And same with the cuboid, आपको cuboid में भी ऐसे ही मिलेंगे बेटा, two rectangular face. Now when you cut cylinder, in the cylinder vertical you will get two rectangular face shapes, and for the horizontal you get two cylindrical shapes. Okay, and after cylinder the last one is cone. In the cone, when you cut vertically you get true triangle shape, because cone कैसे होते हैं, जैसे आपकी बर्थडे कैप. And in horizontal you got one small cone. Clear this? Key 5. Now move to the next question. See the last page. Key 6, how many squares can be seen from the front view? Means from this side, like when you take it, this will be as the front view. Now here you have to count how many squares can be seen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Upper side also it is visible. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 1 is. See, this is the top. ये जो black में है बेटा, ये क्या है, top. But we have to count only front. So see here, front are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And these one 11, 12, 13, 14, because ये upper part है, top है. So how many? 18 are there. Okay. Now the key is 7. Draw all the 3 views of the isometric drawing given below. 3 views. Here it is not mentioned that which we have to take the front view. So when we visualize it like this will be the front view, these square boxes, and top will be this one, and this down will be as side, front, top, side. Okay. Now the next is K8. Draw all the 3 views of the isometric drawing given below. So beta here we will take it as this one the front view, this one which joins two rectangles the side view, and the upper you can say for the top view. Clear? So by this question our chapter 16 is completed. So beta here we have completed our chapter 16, right? In this chapter 16 we have studied and we have done the 4 exercise. First exercise you have studied about 2D shapes and 3D shapes like this one, and this we have discussed in Zoom class as well. After that, in second exercise you study about the nets for building 3D shapes, right? What is the net? A net is the visual representation of a hollow 3D shape. If you will open it, then you get a flat surface, and जब आप उनको step wise cover करेंगे, then you get the 3D shapes. After that, in this exercise we have done the net of these solid shapes, pyramids and as well as prism, right? Then our next exercise, which is 3D 16.3, how to draw the solid shapes on flat surface. Solid shapes here represents 3D shapes. Means in 16.3 you learn how to draw the 3D shapes on the flat surface, right? And these we have done with 2. First one oblique sketches and the second is isometric sketches, right beta? The 7 pointed stars which appears in the flag of Australia, that is known as heptagram. Learn this, very important, amazing fact is this. The 7 pointed star, that is known as heptagram, which is in the flag of Australia. And after that, the next exercise which we have done today, how to visualize the solid shapes, and we will learn the 3 ways to visualizing the 3D shapes. First one with cross section, second one obtaining the shadow on with the plane surface, right? Second one is with the shadow, when we obtain the shadow of any 3D object on plane surface. See here it is mention also, shadow of cube you get square, shadow of cuboid you get rectangular shape, and the third one the different views of an object, top view, front view and side view. This you can check also by viewing your home. देखो फ्रंट में आता है आपका फ्रंट डोर, अगर आप साइड से देखते हो दिस विल बी द साइड व्यू, एंड फ्रॉम द टॉप you only observe the terrace, not the down one, right? So these are the 3 views, top view, front view and side view, which we have discussed in details. Clear beta? So here your chapter 16 is over. If anyone have any kind of problem in this complete chapter, you can comment and you can ask.